9 divided by 9 over 2 times 6. 2 into here 1, 2 into here 3. Then we are left with 9 divided by 9 times 3. 9 divided by 9 will give us 1. Then 1 times 3 will give us 3, which is incorrect because we did not work with the order of operation. According to the order of operation, division and multiplication have equal priority, so we have to solve our division first before solving our multiplication. So we have to solve 9 divided by 9 over 2 first using KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 9, change division to multiplication, then flip 9 over 2 to 2 over 9. Then put down our 6 here. 9 into here 1, 9 into here 1. We are left with 2 times 6. 2 times 6 will give us 12. 12 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.